All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're back in the HW3 Model Y, and since we did the camera calibration and it seemed like it was working better, although it's acting very strangely right now, thought we would test its ability to do U-turns compared to how we were doing U-turns in the HW4 car. Now I don't know, we just stopped right here. So this test may not go very well at all. We may be back to the same problems that we've had previously in this car. Hopefully once it gets out of the neighborhood, it'll get back to normal. I'm not sure. That was really strange. Anyway, we're going to do U-turns, and I also wanted to try out a new camera angle. So let me know if you like this camera angle. Show you right there. Wow, we're slowing down for nothing. All right, I'm pressing the accelerator. Yeah, this test may not go well, but I did want to check out that new camera angle at least, so that might be interesting. May not end up being able to do U-turns very efficiently, so we'll see about that. So this camera should be able to get us the angle here from the left. Man, we're creeping. Okay, now is good. All right, I'm pressing the accelerator. Yeah, it's acting really weird. It's going really slow and kind of stuttering. So, man, I don't even know what to say about HW3 now. It's I have not had an update, and last time we had the update, we did a camera calibration, and then it seemed to start working properly, or so I thought. And now we're back to this really... All right, I'm pressing the accelerator because there's people behind us. Yeah, so we're not going to be able to get some good testing in U-turns here, I don't think, at this rate. We'll give it a little bit more time here and see if it gets its act together. But we're slowing down in a 45 and in the left lane. So yeah, I'm pressing the accelerator again. That is really unfortunate. I was actually hoping that we could get some good testing going on again with HW3, and just to compare 12.6.4 to 14.2, and you know, because I was doing U-turns in 14.2 and it was working well, and I just wanted to see if we'd, you know, improved since then, since 12.6.4. But 12.6.4 has worked better also in the past, so I'm not sure what's going on. All right, let's change the navigation. Navigate to Walgreens on Bells Ferry.
Navigating to Walgreens at 4360
All right.
Belt. Sounds good.
Yeah. So it did change the navigation quickly there. Creeping around this thing. All right, I'm pressing the accelerator. That was... we had plenty of time to do that, but it was creeping around it to the point where this truck decided they were going to get in the other lane. Can't blame them. Minivan, I guess. Whatever it is. All right, so that was 2 U-turns that were very uncomfortable, and most of the driving's been uncomfortable in here in HW3. So I don't know if it's really a valid test or a valid comparison. I don't think 12.6.4 is working properly today, but we'll give it another try. Navigate to the Woodstock Market.
Navigating to
Well, I do like that it immediately changes that navigation with Grok, which is nice. And we can just use the voice to get it going there. All right, so we've got a lot of cars over here that are trying to turn left, so we don't want to creep up too far. I'm letting it do it here. Nope, I gotta press the accelerator. It's like it's getting out there in the intersection and then it's freezing. It's like stopping, and it's to the point where it's unsafe. Now, no cars were coming down the road, but this truck over here is coming up on our left was turning right, so definitely didn't want to get in his way. That was, yeah, I don't know what's going on with this hardware 3 and 12.6.4. Let's try another U-turn. Hopefully we can get it at a different spot. And then, I don't know, might have to call this one short and just kind of hang up the FSD testing in hardware 3, because gotta say it's pretty obnoxious. Like right now we're kind of slowing down coming down this hill. I don't really know why it's driving this way. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna press the accelerator. There's a car coming up from behind. And I don't know, he's justified to. I don't know. This is so strange. It's embarrassing to be driving around like this. Navigate to Walgreens on Bells Ferry.
Navigating to Walgreens at 4360.
All right, so I changed the navigation really quick, and we're gonna try this U-turn here. See if we can get one U-turn where it actually does complete the U-turn without any trouble. It's not looking good. Not looking good. In fact, I don't know that I'd want to do the U-turn here. I don't think there's enough space. We have to go out further in the intersection. Yeah, because it's not going to make it here. No, it's not going to make it here. We can do a U-turn, but we got to do it up here because there's not enough space to do the U-turn otherwise. So that's a fail. I mean, I don't know. It shouldn't have tried to do a U-turn there, I think, is the problem. Or if it was going to do the U-turn, it needed to go further up into the intersection in order to actually make that U-turn. Ugh. All right. I'm going to set it up for this U-turn here. In a U-turn. This is specifically for U-turns. Navigate to the Woodstock Market. All right. We're here in the U-turn specific turn lane. This guy's going to turn left. All right, so I'm pushing it because, yep, super uncomfortable. All right, so I am officially done testing U-turns in 12.6.4 until they can figure out what's wrong with this camera calibration and stuff. We're going 32 and a 45 we're slowing down. We're even slowing down. So I'll press the accelerator. It's going to get in the left lane when it needs to be in the right lane because we're going to be turning right. This is so frustrating. So frustrating. I don't think that I have any desire to look at this. What are we doing? It can't even decide to get in the lane, into the turn lane. I mean, this is I mean, I cannot use FSD on 12.6.4 when it behaves like this. I don't know if we're doing a curbside stop or we're just waiting for the pedestrians here. All right. I just pressed the accelerator because it just didn't seem like it was going to choose to do something here. All right. Let's see if it just parks. Yeah, it parked. I mean, to be fair, the car in front of us, it parked like the car in front of us. I'm sorry, but that is funny. All right, so that was a very bad parking job here for the Hardware 3 Model Y, but everything that we were doing there was absolutely terrible. It was not doing U-turns properly. It was not going the proper speed. It was going in the wrong lane. It would just get everything wrong, just basically everything wrong, which was really bad. And I had to press the accelerator every time to get it to even go, because it wasn't going to go. And then it tried to do a U-turn where it couldn't do a U-turn because it needed to get further into the intersection. And then this parking job is insanely bad. But we did kind of match the car in front of us, which is sort of funny. So I'll get a picture of that for you. But anyway, I'm not going to be able to use Hardware 3 FSD anymore until we get a new software version for FSD of 12.6.4, unfortunately, because I don't want to do a camera calibration every time I want to drive the car, because that's what it seems like. We do a camera calibration, it works, and then we get in the car again another day and it's broken again. So it doesn't have to do with software updates. It's just 12.6.4 on Hardware 3. It's broken for my car. I'm think we'll make a service appointment and see if we can get them to do anything about it, but I don't have high hopes, and I think they're probably going to say that there's nothing that can be done, but we'll see. Anyway, so that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one in a different car. I'm going to be back in the Hardware 4 Model Y because this is not fun.